As we launch into the third wave of immigration today, I wanted to point something out to you, and it's in the chart that you hopefully have been looking at in the website where we've been reading about the different waves, okay? But the chart is right here, and I actually noticed something interesting about it yesterday, and I think it's a great time to show you as well. If you take a look at the number of immigrants coming in wave 3, you'll notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 countries with over 2 million people. And that brought my attention down to the bottom. You see this, I thought this was just part of the graphic, but this is actually a bar graph showing the number of immigrants by year. And it highlights, look how many people were coming each year during wave 3. Now, if we scroll back and look at that same graph, here's what wave 2 looked like, okay? And you'll notice here we only had 3 countries with over 2 million people. So wave 2 was even slower, and if we go back to wave 1, look at the numbers here. So in that first stage, you had very few people coming, and they were coming in much smaller numbers. You can hardly even see the bars on that graph. And if we go back even to colonial time, which was a much longer period of time, it's way back over here, the numbers again were much, much smaller. So just kind of wanted to show you that today so you could appreciate that as we get into the wave 3, you'll notice these are the peak years of immigrants coming to the United States.